Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Says Let's Cook. Today I've got a request to make sweet corn dish. So I'm going to make it in two ways. One is going to be a soup, sweet corn soup. The other one is going to be a snack, right? Let's begin. We need 2 cups of corn. These are fresh corns which I have cooked, and you can use canned corns or you can use frozen corns. You can cook it, and then these are the whole kernels, and these are I just put them, some of it, into a blender and I mixed it, ground it. And these are corns which I just sliced off and cooked it. We also need some carrots, some beans, a little bit of corn flour and white pepper, and 1 egg. That's optional. If you want to make it only vegetarian, don't add egg. This, and also stock. So I have vegetable stock here, so you can take chicken stock or meat stock of your choice. If you don't have fresh stock, you can also use cubes, and it just tastes fine. So pour the stock and let it come to a good boil, and then we can add the rest of the corn and the vegetables. So please add the ground corn and also the other corn, and let it cook for a couple of minutes. So the corn kernels are looking good. Let's add the vegetables and let it cook well. This is a great dish because you can add a lot of variations to it. You can add vegetable of your choice. You can add chicken, strips of cooked chicken. Sweet corn chicken soup is a very popular soup also. So you can experiment, and you can also add noodles or rice of your choice and then make it a wholesome meal. Take a small bowl and put some water, and in that mix a little bit of pepper and some corn flour. We are trying to thicken the soup, so let's not put too much of corn flour. So now the soup is slightly thickened. We don't want it to be very thick, right? And now beat 1 egg with a few drops of water, and then just drop it into the soup and keep stirring. So the soup is ready and we are ready to plate it up. So let's start with the next dish, right? This is boiled frozen corn, which is boiled, and we can add a little bit of salt, chili powder, some garlic powder, and corn flour and all-purpose flour, and a little bit of pepper. Let's mix everything and give it a good mix. So let's just put the mixed corn so that the extra flour and the corn flour sweeps through this, and then we have to fry it. So keep some oil to be heated, and then let's fry this. So when you are doing this, please keep the lid closed because the corn has a tendency to pop and it can get a little dangerous. This is done. Take it out and put the next batch in. So the crispy corn is ready. This is a very delicious snack. You should try it, and you can add the toppings that you like. So I am adding some coriander leaves, 1 green chilli, a little bit of red chili powder or paprika, and some lime. Let's give it a good mix and serve it. So both the dishes are ready to be served. The crispy corn, I have put coriander leaves and green chili and some paprika. You can add onions and tomatoes to that and serve it. It's a great dish. Please try. And look at the soup. The soup, I have put some chili flakes. You can serve it with chili oil or soya sauce as per your preference. So please try this, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.